Exercise 5. Assisted shoulder flexion. This can be started from day 3 after your operation. Lie comfortably on your back, for example, on the bed or sofa if getting on and off the floor is difficult. If lying down on your back is too uncomfortable, you can do this exercise sitting in a chair or standing. Support your operated arm at the elbow or wrist with your unoperated arm. Use the unoperated arm to help gently lift your operated arm towards your head as far as feels comfortable, and then slowly lower your arm back down to the starting position. You can gradually take this further if it feels comfortable.